Amidst the heat and dust of Pakistan's industrial zones, a massive shipping container from Korea arrives. But inside, there's no complete machine. Just scattered metal pieces. Parts of an excavator, broken down and disconnected. Yet in the hands of local mechanics, these fragments will be brought back to life, rebuilt into a powerful heavy-duty machine. Asterisk. The process begins. A basic crane is brought in. One by one, the parts are carefully unloaded from the container, arm, boom, tracks, the cabin, and the engine. Everything is stacked neatly in the work area. The parts don't arrive in pristine condition. Dust clings to the surface, paint is peeling, lubricants are dry. Mechanics inspect each component, checking which ones are ready to be installed, and which need servicing. The first step. Building the main frame. The lower chassis is laid down. Then the top section is prepared. The team works in sync, not following blueprints, but guided by experience and intuition. The main boom is lifted and installed onto its mount. Giant bolts are tightened by hand. No CNC machines, just raw skill, traditional tools, and practiced precision. Next is the hydraulic arm. The lifting arm is connected to the tip of the boom. Hydraulic hoses are linked to the central system. Everything is aligned slowly and carefully, because even the smallest mistake can cause a breakdown when the machine is running. The tracks on both sides are now assembled. Mechanics fit together sprockets and rollers, then align the tracks onto the rails. It's a task that demands teamwork. Each piece is heavy and unforgiving. Step by step, the undercarriage takes shape. Idlers are installed, tensioners are checked, and finally, the tracks are wrapped around. On the dusty ground, an excavator starts to take form. Oil tanks, filters, and cooling systems are added. It's not just about strength. They carefully follow oil routes and pressure points. Everything must be clean, accurate, and safe. Now it's time for the power unit, the engine. Using the crane, the engine is lifted and lowered into its base. Once aligned, the team bolts it down and connects it to the hydraulic system. The cabin is then positioned onto the body. Wires are routed, control levers installed, and instruments connected. This isn't just a seat, it's the command center of the entire excavator. Next comes the hydraulic system testing. They fire up the pumps and check for pressure leaks. Arms move, hoses are tightened, and everything is fine-tuned until the motion is smooth and leak-free. The diesel engine roars, the arm lifts, the boom rises, and the tracks start to turn. After hours of labor and concentration, they've done it. We witness a powerful transformation. Once useless scrap parts, now reborn as a single working force. This is the art of mechanics, not just fixing, but giving life again. If you're impressed by the skill and determination of these workers, who turned old parts into a fully functional excavator, support us. Like this video, hit subscribe, and share it with the world. Because behind these humble workshops are hands that never give up.